Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out VacLife's car tire and inflator. So you can use this for your vehicle, for your ATV, for basically whatever you want. So guys, this is what it looks like. You can pause and read the attention, but you press and hold to turn it on. Actually, no, this one you just press to turn it on. You also have your light right there. So that turns the light on as well. So this is for your 12 volt. You get plenty of cable. Here is your air line. So you basically can set, with R you can set bar, KPA, PSI, and others. Nice simple design. Everything can be tucked away inside the little bay there. They give you a manual with your different cap ends. Make sure you check out your manual for more information. But this is a nice little unit. It's going to work great for what you guys need. It's small and compact. So if this is something that you are looking for, yeah, it's nice. It's nice and compact. And, 99% of air compressors work all the same. So if you've seen one, you've seen them all. So I personally care more about the size and the style. And as you guys can see here, fits in my hand. I can hold it with one hand, no problem. It's lightweight, so it's going to be a good vac for, well, not a vacuum, but a good compressor to keep in your vehicle for inflating. Right now, we have no items to inflate because it's not tubing season quite yet. So we'll do an updated video in the future showing you guys it in action, but it's going to work just like any other air compressor, that you guys have seen. So it basically comes down to style, and it comes down to it has a light, it has multiple modes, and it's lightweight, it's compact, and everything can be tucked away to make it simple. So very nice.